press 5. Access the vehicle. They are very heavy. We can use the 7 inch. Just like a box, but in that big, it's like a pizza shop. And you see, the doors, the area is on less than 3 centimeters. The place is consistently details. And it identifies you with one piece space. And our man on the third one day and this screen, choose the pay one day. And then after customer pay, these are the set here. These are our words. On the phones, the windows, UI phones, and the car base. And our counting system is supposed to more pressure on the phones. So, please, and then about our machine. See you next time.
After the customer pays, the machines will wait, which will take about 2 to 3 minutes. While waiting for the pizza, the customer can also watch the 3D video through our touch screen, or watch the baking process of the pizza through the windows of the oven. After the pizza is made, it will come out of this table called order of pizzas.
Down the years it's been a ride, and now I'm sorry I'm all it's not in tonight. And as we go we seem to fight, but baby that's just the way we love. And only in the dark do we see our sunlight. Home is where we were.